Hi guys, come bake and decorate a wedding cake, traditional wedding cake with me. So this is me checking out myself and wondering why some one person can be that beautiful. So I didn't capture some of these moments, but the few I captured is what I have decided to squeeze in into this video. So this is me and my mates prepping, sieving the flour and taking out our measurement to start mixing for the cake. So we're baking a fruit cake and a vanilla cake, and you all know we use our yogurt to bake our vanilla cake, and that's the yogurt right there. So this is me already mixing for our vanilla cake. I was please don't mind me, I'm a bit under the weather. After this job, I I started feeling nauseous, and because of the harmattan, um, I'm a bit under the weather right now. So this is me mixing for the cake, mixing the cake batter and getting ready to send it into the oven. This is actually my first wedding cake making, if I'm correct. But this is my first wedding cake making, and I'm grateful to God. It came out beautiful. It came out as envisioned. So this is a pretty girl, a pretty baker. So this is um, a win for me. This year I attended a baking school, I attended a culinary school, and I'm glad I achieved all that this year. So I got my cap and decided to cover my hair like I should. And that's my colleague. She was buttering the pans and we're having a conversation. Ah, we're having a conversation as well. So this is how also checking the cake batter to see if it was ready. Because this mixer was small, we have to mix the cake batter here. We have to mix a few ingredients here, bring it out and mix the flour with our hands. I was my colleague, so what she was doing, it was very funny. So this took like the whole day, because I remember leaving my house by 8 in the morning and I got back home 8 in the evening. So this took the whole day, and we baked 8 or 10 layers of cake. We also baked the calabash, so we baked 10 layers of cake on this day. It was very stressful. When I got back home, my feet was hurting badly. So this is me still mixing the batter. So this was our last batter that we just missed, and I decided to drink a lot of water because I needed it and to rest a bit. And then I was just checking out myself because why not? I'm a pretty girl, I'm a pretty woman, and of course, oh my god. So after drinking water, I decided to go make mixture for my fondant because we want to make the fondant and keep it ready for the next day decoration. So I made the fondant and then mixed. And this is me adding brownie to the fondant because we are making a traditional wedding cake. The down part of the cake is brown, so we mixed with brownie so that tomorrow when we're decorating, if we're when it's time for us to do the woodwork and painting, it will be very easy for us. So kneading fondant is not easy, to be honest. After doing this job, I went back home and managed to have dinner and then sleep. The next morning when I woke up, my feet was hurting. Like when I stand on my feet, it was paining me seriously. And I just know that it's because of the job I did yesterday. So see this little girl, very hardworking, met some mother her name. She's very hardworking. So I added cornstarch so that it would help me gather my fondant together. Kneading wasn't easy, but of course we have to conquer. And that's my friend making a video of me while I'm kneading. Oh my god. I'm sick. I need to take medications, to be honest. I needed. Fondant is not for the weak, especially large quantities like this. And then after kneading, I just wrapped it up, and this was me telling my friend to check out the fondant I made. I'm a queen of fondant. Of course, it was a pride moment. So I wrapped it up very well because it's Harmattan period, and if you expose your fondant, it's going to dry out, and I wouldn't want that to happen to the next day. So this is the next day. I wasn't able to capture the when I was leaving the house and when I arrived, but then I was able to remember that I needed to complete this content I started though. Even though my phone went off at some point, please overlook that human being behind that did that behind me. She was getting ready to start working. So I just knew I just wanted to create little piece, make little videos so that I can match them together and create the content with this. So I remember sometimes, I don't remember sometimes, but trust me, when the work got tedious, I forgot I needed to create content. Like when I was covering the cake, when I was doing the cake, the work became tedious that I cannot even remember where my phone is. Content creators are really trying, to be honest. This is PGC with my friend, and you know, packing the cake crumbs for her because, of course, children love cake crumbs for reasons I don't know. So it's supposed to be a 3-layer cake, and then the calabash on top of it. So this is just the first one that I'm trimming. After this one, I'll have to trim the other two and then stack it together and then start crumb coating and covering. So this is me going to check out the other two and telling my friend what we're going to put under. The first one we baked was going to go under. Here I've stacked the 3 cakes and was just trying to arrange it properly for crumb coating and covering. To be honest, bakers are trying. Stacking this cake wasn't easy, and that's a plump I'm using to check the cakes to be sure that they are leveled, they are all on the same level. So bakers are actually very strong people. It's not an easy job to be a baker. To be honest, it is not an easy job at all. And I don't think any job is easy, but then you see this particular one, I give it up to them. And this is me wrapping up our calabash. I forgot to continue my content creating. So like I said, I didn't capture videos of when I was covering the cake because work don't choke that time. So this is me covering the calabash and trying to make it look realistic and in shape. I was doing this way just with my friend as well. Content creators, they try you because set camera, go and this one, set camera, go and do this one. Me, I don't know. And I'm already, hey, I am stressed out. See the way I'm shouting, see the way I'm lamenting. So right here, I was done covering the calabash and doing what I should do on it. I don't know how to explain this to you guys, but then I am now I am painting it right now to give it the gold, beautiful color, right? Painting this thing, you have to sit down. You see the tiny brush I'm using to paint it. I sat down and painted it gradually. And this is me, your beautiful baker, stressed out, hungry, exhausted, famished, name it. So my phone died at this point. I managed to take somebody's phone to take this picture. This is before putting the calabash. We plan to do that at the venue. But this is what we have. This is the base of the cake. And it's looking all good. The phone
this
camera
is
did
our
not
cake
do justice to
before
this.
the calabash.
Before putting the calabash, we plan to do that at the venue.
And boom,
here we
this
go.
is the venue.
This is our beautiful cake.
The bride
loved
loved her
her
cake.
cake.
Thank you
I
guys for
am so
watching.
proud of
Bye.
myself.